Alright, are we ready for the cafe and Toronto?
Is he needs to close his eyes? Kyle? Kyle.
What?
Is he need to close his eyes?
Philadelphia. Hey.
Philadelphia.
Bye. Wait, we're not gonna sit over there though. Come on, we're not sitting there. Come on, we're gonna sit over here. That worked out pretty well, didn't it? I didn't know there'd be a Philadelphia right here. So Mama, Miami's right there. He thinks it's really filled up. Alright, how do you want to do this reveal? Just follow me. Let's say we're gonna go get
He needs to close his eyes.
No, some candy or something.
I already know that we're going here.
I know, but come here, I want to show you something.
Surprise, surprise.
We're gonna go to the store. Here, let's go here.
Kesin kraldan dedi.
I mean,
Surprise,
nice, right?
surprise.
But what's Philadelphia?
Surprise.
Are you on Miami? No, really?
Where do you think we're going?
Philadelphia.
What's wrong with Philadelphia?
Because I saw it in your phone.
Surprise, surprise.
Alright, I'm gonna show them my Philadelphia ticket. Are you ready?
Oh, it's going to be Miami.
You ready?
Yeah. Close he needs to close his eyes.
What? Are you serious?
Dude, I had you so bad.
What?
Totally just so happened there was actually Philadelphia playing YouTube. I didn't know that was gonna happen. Are you surprised or not? Huh?
What are you going to do there?
Miami stuff.
No, some flight coming. Which flight is that?
Dude, that was not a very shocking.
Is that not
That was not a
all?
very shocking reveal.
No, because you're bored.
He's kind of killing my channel here. I'm
What
not
if
big.
we're just going to be happy?
How many like airplanes
Hello.
there?
We're going to Miami and he doesn't care, so much for the build up. Ocean. Yeah, let me just go back in time 11 months. Oh my god.
Cool.
Okay.
Cool.
I thought you wanted to go swim in the ocean.
It's kind of
Oh, now everything's not good enough. Now we're gonna go on a cruise. Now we gotta go to